G'day! This video is regarding Telstra and Boost and iPhone SE, or this one's an SE 2020. I'm not sure what other iPhones this is currently affecting, but right now you cannot get voLTE on this model of phone. So this one here I've got is a SE 2020 model. I put in a Telstra SIM card, an Optus SIM card. I get the data menu. It comes up and I can select voLTE. I put the Boost SIM card straight back in here and that option is gone. What I've also tried with that is I've since updated it to iOS 18, as you can hopefully see here. And at this point, I have not found a way to be able to get voLTE on Telstra with an iPhone SE 2020, possibly also iPhone SE 2022, the newer model. Apple, I'm not sure. Looking online on Apple forums, people are complaining it's not working. Apple says it supports voLTE. Telstra says Apple needs to enable it, and it just goes in a full circle. So sorry to say, if you've got an SE 2020, even running iOS 18, the only way you're probably going to be able to get voLTE is switching to Optus, maybe even Vodafone. Very bizarre that it doesn't work with Telstra. Hopefully there is a fix for that coming soon. I don't know if there will be, but right now you're stuck with a phone that won't make voice calls once the 3G network is turned off. Damn. Bye.